guys, I haven't made a video in forever. It has been, I don't know, the last time I made a video I think it was like 7, so it's been like maybe like 2 years, 7, 9 now. Yeah, it's been 2 years. So today I made some yellow lemon slime. I thought I wanted to show it to you guys, and yeah, so here it is. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see a thing. I can't see if you see it, but it's this yellow slime. It's very like it's, I don't know how to say it, but yeah. Here is some ASMR if I can even do it. It's been forever. And my dog is watching me, but yeah. That's really bad, but yeah. It's really stretchy. Oh, yeah, so that's my yellow slime. I made other slimes, but they've been, oh yeah, I will go show you guys. Oh my goodness. You're probably wondering what just happened. So, I forgot this camera was on the charger. And it kind of got pulled a little bit, but sorry. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys this real quick. And yeah, so it's like it's not really like a butter slime. It's more like a classic slime because I used. Oh, and if you want to make it, I will tell you how real quick. So, if you want to make this yellow slime, you can make it in any color really. You can make it in teal, or you can, yeah. So the way I made it was I got white glue. It could be any type of white glue. Yeah, and then after that, I made my borax. If you don't know how to make borax, or you have borax in a container, you know. So I'll tell you how to make borax. So you would get something. It's literally named borax. You can find it. Usually, your mom or dad have it when they are like washing. It's for like a dishwasher or something, I think. Something like that. And okay, so yeah, and then you would make that with hot water. Stir that up until all those little borax pieces dissolve. And yeah, you have your borax. So then, after that, oh yeah, it doesn't matter how much borax you put in or how much glue you put in, but because like if you want like big slime, then you can do a lot of glue, but you probably guys already know that by then. Anyways, and then after that, I added color and I added scent that made it like a lemon slime. So yeah, and that's how I made my slime. And it was like it gets messy, so I would have like a piece of cardboard or something down. I'll show you what I used, and I'm gonna go with the other slime too, so I'll be right back. Okay, so what I used beneath my slime making. I used this kind of cardboard. I'm not sure what kind it is, but or you can also use a plain cardboard around the house. But you can use like plain brown cardboard. But I don't think I'd recommend it because I feel like it would stick to it pretty good. But yeah, it just, I don't know. I've never used cardboard before, but I've only used this. Anyways, here is my purple slime. I made it maybe like a week ago. And it's not, oh my god, it's yellow off of me. Okay, it's not really like that stretchy. It's been played with a lot. I added some foam beads into it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the foam beads are pink, white, and like a teal blue. They're really pretty, and yeah, it's not that stretchy, but it does have really good like pop sounds. So hopefully, let's reach in the back real quick. Seems like the slime settles a little bit more. Okay, so let's put this in. Oh, that wasn't the best. Well, that would be good. But okay, well, almost ripped. Wait. If you can get it. So, yep, and then here's it makes awesome correct sounds. And yeah, I made a lot of it actually. I made like get it all out. Like my dad just came in. I thought he was like a burglar or something. Anyways, I can't get it out. It's stuck to me now. Goodness. Okay, anyways, made a lot of it. Definitely more than my yellow slime. But yeah, and I'll be right back. I just have to get something. Sorry. Had to close my mom's and dad's door because they were watching